Hello, pal. Let's now talk about the letter J, which is the 10th letter of the alphabet. J is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter J has a shape that looks like a hook with a dot. It is important to remember how to draw the letter J correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter J makes a special sound, the J sound. This sound is made by moving your tongue quickly against the roof of your mouth. Some common words that start with the letter J include jelly, jump, and jacket. Words that have the letter J in them are all around us. We might listen to some jazz music, or watch a jaguar at the zoo. We might also play a game of jenga with our friends, or read a book about jungles. Remembering the letter J is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the great words it helps create. So let's give a big J for the letter J, and get ready to continue our journey through the wonderful world of language. Don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.